Let's learn Control with A to Z. There are several functions for few shortcuts, however, I will be showing only one common function for each shortcut. Control plus A to select all. Control plus B for bold. Control plus C for copy. Control plus D for opening font preference window. Control plus E for in-center alignment. Control plus F for find. Control plus G for go to. Control plus H for replace. Control plus I for italic. Control plus J for justify alignment. Control plus K for insert hyperlink. Control plus L for left alignment. Control plus M for indent paragraph. Control plus N for new document. Control plus O for open. Control plus P for print. Control plus Q for removing paragraph formatting. Control plus R for right alignment. Control plus S to save. Control plus T for hanging indent. Control plus U for underline. Control plus V for paste. Control plus W for closing open document. Control plus X for cut. Control plus Y for redo. Control plus C for undo. Now I will start the next tutorial of this video. In my previous videos, I already talked about MS Word capabilities under Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, and Design tab. Let's quickly see what are the functions we have under Layout. Click on Margin and you will get different options for page margin. Choose one and click to add that for your pages. Click on Orientation and click and choose Orientation of your page. Click on Size to get several page sizes for document. Choose and click to change page size. Clicking on Columns gives few options for column structure of the paragraphs in document. Choose and click to add that style. Breaks gives different options of breaks wherever you want. Let's say I want a break after the object I have in my page, so I can click on Text Wrapping. You can see it's done. Click on Line Numbers, choose an option for the numbers to be shown on the page. I can click on Continuous for continuous line numbers in the entire document. Generally when a word runs out of room, normally it comes to the next, but if we click on Hyphenation and Automatic Hyphenation, when a word runs out of room, it will be hyphenated between parts of word. Here click on down or up arrow to adjust the gap between the lines and the page margin either towards left or right. Next, let's select this paragraph and using this up and down arrow options beside before I can increase or decrease the gap above the selected paragraph. Similarly, let's select this paragraph now and using this up and down arrow options beside after I can increase or decrease the gap under the selected paragraph. Let's move this object somewhere in between the lines. While the object is selected, click on Position, choose and click to add a position for the object. While the object is selected, click on Wrap Text. It basically helps with how the text around the object will appear. Choose and click on any of the options to add same for the text around the object. If you have multiple objects, you can select the object and click on Bring Forward to choose from the options to bring the selected object come forward in front of other ones, or click on Send Backward to choose from the options to bring the selected object send behind the other ones. Click on Selection Panel. It shows this panel at the right, where it shows list of objects we have in our document and make it easy for us to select the object by clicking on the options shown in the list. Click on Align, choose and click on one alignment option to place selected object accordingly on the page. Now if the object is selected and I click on Group, then click on Ungroup, click on Yes, it ungrouped different parts of the object. From Selection Panel you can choose different parts of the object and edit however you want. When the object is selected, click on Rotate. From these options you can rotate the object just with a click.